I remember the words from the anime called Bleach, where Ishida goes like, "Alone we are strong. Together we can be unstoppable." So hello everyone, I hope you're doing great. If you're not, it's fine because difficulties are a part of life. You'll get stronger. And summing up, 2022 has been really bad for me in some ways and good for me in a couple of ways. I rarely went to the gym. I did not read a lot of books. I did relatively bad in my exams and I could have done a lot more better in terms of content creation, growing my agency and even launching some more things. I don't complain, but I just mean to say that 2022 could have been a lot more better. So this is the first step towards it. Learning from the mistakes. The single most thing that I've learned from the last year, 2022, is that I need to build a good team. Not just a good team, but a great team. I was mostly working like a one-man army, like everything from content research till like posting the video, making the thumbnails and all these things. But this year I want to build a great team. So I want people who are driven, people who are passionate about the things that they are doing, and people who are looking to join a team full of freaks who put growth and learning before everything. So if you're someone who resonates with these things and would like to join my team, I've given the link in the description. Click on it and apply to it as soon as possible. I'll just mention the role that I'm looking for. The first thing is that I want a generalist role, more like a manager and all. You can find the relevant description in the link below. Just find it. And the second thing is that we need a couple of editors, both for this main channel and also for the agency that we are running. And the third thing which we want is a couple of designers who can help us with thumbnails, who can help the clients with thumbnails, and designers who are also good at making posters, Instagram posts, and also who are good at designing t-shirts and everything. Like if you're a designer, fill the form, okay? And the fourth thing that we are looking for is first year students from IITs and NITs. We are kind of working on a secret project and we would be launching that in like next 2 months. So we need, if you are a student or first year student from any IIT or NIT, you have your form below. Click on it and apply to it and join my team. The project is going to be a paid opportunity obviously and it is going to be really interesting. You'd also learn a lot of things. Click on the link, apply. And the last thing, the fifth thing that we are looking is for script writers, not for the main channel, but for the other channels that we are going to launch. I'm also going to launch 2 more channels this year. Also for the clients that we are handling. We are also getting into this new thing, which is we are going to provide scripts for the clients that we have from our agency. If you are a scriptwriter, if you are passionate about writing, then you should apply for it also. And all the information, all the hiring process will happen through the mails only. You just apply to the links below and we'll get back to you. And one last thing that I want to announce in this video is that we don't have a proper community, right? It's like, take YouTube, we have a community, but then it gets really difficult for me to post a video every time I need to announce something, right? And also I won't be able to share a lot of things on YouTube. And Instagram, my Instagram is like banned twice, and Instagram support, I don't know, it's full of shit, man. Like at this point, I don't know what to say. Yeah, putting that aside, it gets really difficult for me to pass on any information and to help you guys out, right? For example, if I make some IT JICA content or something like that, if I get the notes and all these things, Telegram is obviously there, but we don't have like a community. We don't have community of video editors. Like we don't have a place where we discuss and everything, correct? So I've also made the Discord server, right? Even that is linked below. If you are someone who has been following me for like last 1 year, 2 years, whatever it may be, if you are anyone who's interested in like IT JICA content, if you are anyone who needs IT JICA guidance or anything, or if you're someone who needs video editing assets for free, if you're someone who wants to sit with me and edit sometimes on a live Discord UEC and all, in that case you should definitely click on the link below and also join the Discord server. We'll also be posting about whatever the hiring these things are there on the Discord server itself. So join the Discord, apply, join my team. We will rock this year. We are going to rock this year. 2023 is our year. I told everything that I have to say. You take your decision. Join the Discord. Apply to the roles if you're interested. Anyways, I'll see you with one more video very soon. Maybe a week. I'm back at my home. I'll go back to college. I'm taking some time off. Not really time off. I'll still be posting videos.